Hi guys, welcome to another video from Advanced in Car. Today we've been working on a returning customer of ours actually. We've done loads of stuff on this little Polo, this little 6R chassis. It's got the good looking front end, not so much like the new one. This one looks loads better. But Steve's a returning customer. He loves this car and he's had loads done to it. We've done folding mirrors, we've done, I can't remember everything we've done, but we recently did pedal box and tuning box for it, which really gave it a new kind of lease of life, and he loved that. That was a good day, that was, taking him for a test in that. And now he's come back to tie in and bring in a bit more blue into the cabin of the car is the VW kind of part numbered ambient lighting. You would have probably seen it a lot in the transporters and stuff we do. It goes in the door cards and then footwell lights and things. So we've done it in here. But the difference with this being is it's a bit more of a custom fit, because you don't have the top and the bottom pockets that you have on a large transporter door. So what we've done is we've gone with a little one just in like the handle area for the door handle, and then one down in the main pocket area, just lighting up that. And you know what? Looks really cool. Really cool actually. Once the lights are all off everything, it's cracking. So nighttime driving this is gonna be really nice. So if we have a little look, I'll show you where they are. In with the lights on, you can see them shining nicely. Right, so as normal, the lights are wired into the car's illumination circuit basically. So as soon as the lights are on, I'll just put them on the side lights at the moment. Obviously all of these will illuminate, and then the lights illuminate as well. So obviously nighttime driving, as soon as Steve puts his lights onto main, on full or just his side lights on, then all his ambient lighting lights up and just ties in with everything else. Obviously if he had auto lights, we'd be able to wire them into the auto circuits, then he wouldn't have to worry about it, and they'd just come on whenever the lighting comes on. But as you can see, even with these main lights on, you can see that the door handle light is lighting up really nicely, and because of all the shape of the inside here, it throws around a real nice little accent of light. I'm a big fan of it actually. It looks cracking. And then obviously the footwell lights are then just lighting up nicely blue and just picking out all the little blue accents that are already in the car. And yeah, it's going to make it a really nice little car to charge around at night time really. So yeah, just a nice little simple one. Just shows you that with ambient lighting you can actually end up putting it in any car. It doesn't have to be in like pockets and things. You can be a bit imaginative really. We've put ambient lights in a few cars now in terms of different areas. Did like a little MX-5. We've done this now. James has done his own Saab. He's done door handle lights and a few other bits spotted around. I've done my TT as well, just finding little places to accent lights and things like that. So if you're into having a nice little area to drive in at night time, and you want all that nice lighting to add that nice comfy feeling, then yeah, give us a shout. Maybe check out some of our other videos and things for lighting, and yeah, get onto the contact form, give us a shout, let us know what you want to do, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.